Welcome back, everybody. If you haven't seen the previous videos, be sure to check them out, follow, subscribe, and follow along as we set up your account with IML and as I take you step by step to make sure that you don't make any mistakes. If you are confused with anything, be sure to leave a comment and I'll get back to you, or reach out to your leader in your group and they should be able to help you. So last video, we were able to transfer our Vload voucher to our Hugo's FX account. Now we're going to make an account and we're going to transfer the money that is now on your Hugo's FX to that account. And so that is going to be the account that you're going to be using on your MetaTrader 4. Okay, so once you've made an account, which we're going to do right now, we're going to create an account. We're going to do Hugo MT4 ECN. And so that's going to be your account that you're going to be using. And you're going to make it under USD. And we're going to select our leverage, which we've been told was 200. And then we would create the account. Okay. You're going to get an email. In that email, you're going to have some information that you're going to need to remember, because when you log into your account, when you use the MetaTrader 4, this is the information that you're going to need. And so now you see that you have your account set up, right? And now you need to transfer the money, the voucher that you purchased, to this account now. So you would go to internal transfer and you would need to select wallet to MT4, right? So that's you selecting the wallet inside your Hugo FX, your Hugo FX wallet, which would be right here. You can see the amount. And then you're going to select from the wallet the USD, because that's the currency that we're currently using. And then we are going to select the amount that you purchased the voucher for. So you can choose how much you want. That's all up to you. As you can see now, I'd be able to choose the Hugo MT4 ECN. That's the account that I just made. That's what you would be transferring your money to. So you would click on that, and then you would choose the amount that you want. Once you've done that, you would request the transfer, and then literally a couple minutes later, or as it says right here, 5 minutes later, for me it was only a couple minutes, you're going to see a status down here. As you can see, mine has said done. That then you'll know that the money from your wallet has been transferred to the account that you're going to use when you log into your MetaTrader 4. So now I want everyone to shift their eyes over to the right. And so we are going to create a new account. You would go back to the little part right here, up in the corner, the 3 lines, and then you can go to your account, where then you can set up a new account. There's a little plus sign over here, and we're going to log into the account that we just made. And so now we need to remember that we need to find a broker. And as you can see right here, when you look up Hugo's Way, it's going to pull up, you can see the real and also the demo. Now, because we've set up an account and we've transferred the funds over onto the MetaTrader 4 account, now we can set up the real account where we can use the real account. And the email that you got is going to have your login and your password. And so when you enter in the login and the password, then you're going to have all the funds that you have transferred over from the Vload to your wallet to your MetaTrader 4. And so that's how you set up your account. Be sure to do it very slowly. Don't rush. The amount that you put on is up to you. It doesn't matter if you decide to use $100, $200. I use $500. Some people put more. There's no right amount. It's up to you. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If I don't get back to you, which should be rare, be sure to reach out to your leader and they should be able to help you out as well. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I hope everyone has a great day.